There's a tiny American company worth barely the price of a Lamborghini, yet it's sitting on contracts larger than the annual budgets of entire towns. A company so quiet, so hidden, that most investors don't even know it exists. But the U.S. defense sector, aerospace giants, and EV manufacturers, they're already knocking on its door. And here's the truly insane part. Its entire market value is barely $11 million, while its confirmed orders stretch into the hundreds of millions. Think about that for a moment. A company valued like a small auto shop, holding contracts bigger than the GDP of some small nations. Opportunities like this don't scream, they whisper. And the investors who hear that whisper before the crowd, they're the ones who walk away with life-changing gains. Before I reveal the name of this company, you need to understand why this might be one of the most explosive penny stocks of 2025. The world is shifting faster than ever. Global conflicts are rising, cyber threats are becoming more advanced, defense budgets worldwide are exploding, and EV and aerospace industries are demanding cleaner, more precise manufacturing technology at a scale we've never seen before. Governments aren't buying just weapons anymore. They're buying precision. They're buying intelligence. They're buying speed. And in the middle of all this chaos, a small U.S. company trading for just 22 cents has quietly placed itself at the center of these global shifts. Now imagine this. A tiny micro-cap company working in silence. No flashy marketing, no hype trains, no buzzwords, just pure engineering excellence. While the market was distracted chasing overpriced tech trends, this company was building something powerful. Technology capable of upgrading EV manufacturing, aerospace engineering, and even next-generation defense platforms. And almost nobody noticed. But that silence, it's about to break. Before we dive deeper, quickly tap the like button. It takes 2 seconds, but it helps this research reach real investors, not gamblers, not hype chasers, real people trying to build wealth through intelligent decisions. If we hit 500 likes, I'll drop another deep dive into a potential 5x stock under $2. Today's defense industry is completely different from what it was 20 years ago. It's no longer about the size of an army. It's about the precision of its technology. Drones are replacing traditional aircraft. AI is replacing old surveillance systems. Directed energy is replacing traditional weapons. Autonomous platforms are reducing the need for manpower, and nations are pouring billions into technologies that deliver speed, accuracy, energy efficiency, and reliability. This is a $500 billion industry, and companies that innovate, even if small, often get bought out, funded, or partnered with giants like Lockheed Martin or Northrop Grumman. But here's the twist. It's not just the military that needs advanced tech. EV manufacturers, aerospace suppliers, medical device companies, electronics companies. All of them are demanding cleaner, faster, more precise manufacturing tools. While the world was busy with hype, this one overlooked company quietly created exactly that, a breakthrough technology capable of disrupting multiple industries at once. Think about this for a moment. EVs need advanced precision welding. Aerospace needs near-flawless material processing. Defense needs energy-efficient systems. Manufacturing needs sustainable, clean energy solutions. And sitting right at the intersection of all these industries is our penny stock, a company with real technology, real clients, real contracts, real growth. Yet it trades like a forgotten relic, and that imbalance is exactly what seasoned investors dream of. Its secret weapon? A high-power blue laser technology that most investors have never even heard of. Traditional infrared lasers, the kind used for decades, are inefficient, waste energy, and struggle with copper, the most essential material for batteries, aerospace wiring, and defense equipment. But blue lasers? Copper absorbs blue light almost 10 times better. That means faster processing. Cooler welding, cleaner cuts, less waste, higher precision, lower cost. This isn't a small improvement. This is a manufacturing revolution. While everyone else was using the same old infrared technology, this company built the next generation, and they built it first. But here's where the story takes a dramatic turn. This company didn't stop with laser innovation. They made a bold move that changed their entire trajectory. They acquired a defense contractor generating $50 million a year, holding a mind-blowing $309 million backlog in defense orders, serving clients in the US, Italy, and the UAE, employing 70 specialized defense engineers, and holding deep relationships with military and intelligence agencies. Overnight, this tiny laser company transformed into a legitimate defense technology player. That wasn't a step forward. It was a leap, straight into the global defense spotlight, and the market is waking up to this transformation. Trading volume that once crawled at a few million shares suddenly surged to over 30 million. The last time this happened, the stock exploded over 200% in just a few weeks. And now, with stronger fundamentals, bigger contracts, and more institutional interest, it's approaching that same breakout zone again. So which company am I talking about? The company is Nuburu Inc., ticker symbol BURU, listed on the NYSE American, a U.S. photonics company leading the world in high-power blue laser technology. Their BL series runs up to 250 watts. Their BLF series hits up to 1 kilowatt. These aren't prototypes. These are real deployed systems already being used in EV production, aerospace manufacturing, additive manufacturing, electronics, and even medical applications. And now, with the acquisition of Techni, they're positioned to develop electronic warfare tools, cyber defense systems, directed energy platforms, advanced surveillance solutions. Nuburu is no longer just a laser manufacturer. It's becoming a hybrid industrial plus defense technology powerhouse. Let's put the financials in perspective. A market cap of just $11 million, a defense backlog worth $309 million, annual revenue around $50 million from the acquisition, a tech advantage with 10 times absorption efficiency, a global defense market worth over $500 billion, a fresh $12 million capital raise to scale operations, and trading volume surging past 30 million shares. You don't need to be a financial genius to see the asymmetry here. If Nuburu executes even half of what they planned, this could become one of the most explosive opportunities of 2025. Yes, it's risky, every penny stock is, but high risk is where high reward hides. Most investors chase hype. They wait for mainstream news, they wait for momentum, and by the time they discover a stock, the upside is gone. Wealth is built by those who move before the spotlight hits. And right now, Nuburu is still in the shadows, still misunderstood, still deeply undervalued. But the foundation being built, the technology, the contracts, the defense integration, could transform this microcap into something far bigger than its current valuation. This is the kind of imbalance smart investors dream of. And whether you act on it or not, this might be one of those stories investors talk about years later, saying, "I wish I had heard this earlier."